Stop scrolling for 10 seconds and picture this. A recruiter opens LinkedIn, taps your profile, and boom, sees nothing but a dust resume and 3 random selfies you cross-posted from Instagram. They close the tab faster than you can say, missed the opportunity. Meanwhile, someone with half of your talent lands the gig because their feed looks like a curated mini portfolio. Hurts, right? In 2025, LinkedIn and Instagram are the twin billboards where creative careers are won or lost. Master them, and you're no longer banging for attention. You're attracting clients, collaborators, and dream jobs while sleeping. Here's the game you're playing for the next few minutes. First, the painfully common mistakes that keep brilliant work invisible. Then, the simple two-platform framework that flips your profiles from digital clutter to magnetized showcases. We wrap with a rapid recap you can screenshot and a single action that will launch your upgrade today. Hi, I'm Leandro Trovati, car designer, portfolio strategist, and the shortcut between your skill set and that next studio badge. So buckle up and let's roll. Let's be honest, most of us treats LinkedIn like a resume warehouse and Instagram like a vacation scrapbook. On LinkedIn, you bury projects under experience, hoping someone clicks see more. On Instagram, you post one polished piece every blue moon, meshed between latte art and gym selfies. Worse, that and exposure. Your LinkedIn network never sees your visual storyteller. Your Instagram followers never realize you're also a thought leader. Sprinkle in mismatched bios, dead-end profile links, and a grand total of 0 strategic hashtags, and you've built an invisibility cloak for your best work. It is time to swap chaos for the dual showcase framework. The first pillar is LinkedIn as the credibility hub. Ping 3 flagship projects in the features section, each post crafted like a mini case study. One killer image or 30-second clip, a one-sentence problem, a one-sentence solution, and a punchy outcome metric. Rewrite your headline to spotlight what you create instead of your job title. Every new Insta post, drop it on LinkedIn with an insight angle. What challenge you solved, which tool you used, or the sketch of final evolution. The second pillar is Instagram as the visual runway. Switch to creator profile for analytics. In your bio link, use a link in bio tool pointing straight to that LinkedIn features section. Post in carousel format. First slides grabs attention. Middle slides reveal the process. Last slide includes a subtle swipe up to LinkedIn for breakdown. Stories, daily behind the scenes sketches or time-lapse reels, each tagged hashtag Whip Wednesday or hashtag Sketch Sunday to ride trending communities. Reel covers and LinkedIn thumbnails share the same template style, building visual brand memory across platforms. Here's the simple cross-link recipe. Finish every LinkedIn post with see the visuals on Instagram and mark your profile. And every Instagram caption with full project story on LinkedIn, link in bio. Simple, explicit, and algorithm friendly. So, LinkedIn tells the why, Instagram shows the wow. Fuse them and you've got a one punch no recruiter can dodge. Now it's time to put this strategy in practice. Run a quick pit stop on your feeds. Pin 3 hero projects on LinkedIn, turn them into swipe-worthy carousels on Instagram, and link each post to the other platform. Trim the fluff, spotlight the gold, and watch your digital showroom spark horsepower. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above to watch the video with the detailed information about my one-on-one mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. And if you're not part of the squad yet, hit the subscribe button, smash notifications, and drop like to join the fan. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!